Of teachers, I represent Kenya National Union of Teachers, Bungoma North Branch. Kindly rise. Bungoma North Mpo. Kindly rise for the speaker to see that you are likely to be slim or little based on the arrival time. Like my friend has said from Mount Elgon, yesterday I was at the office here, the TSC office, and I realized that most of our teachers in Tonga, Executive Secretary NAT Bungoma East Branch, comprising Webuye West and Bungoma East. I'm also the County Secretary. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are privileged to be here, talking to the Speaker of the National Assembly. I want to start here. Speaker, sir, these teachers seated here have gone to school very well. And they are the ones that have made all of us to be here, where you are, where I am. These teachers, they don't want to be used and then they are dumped. Appointments. We want to thank you. You appointed our own Brother Nganga. He's doing very well. But that is not enough. We have two governments, the national government and the county government. You are also our party leader. We have the Secretary General for Kenya here. Kakamega, the same. What happened here when the Secretary General for Kenya is seated here? Number two, let's not talk about promotions only and leave it there. Last time when they were promoting teachers from C5 to D1, only 3, the entire county of Bungoma. Nani mnajua, walimu wazuri, hii ulimwengu yote minajua, ni Waluya. Na Waluya tukinaro, ni Wabukusu na Watachoni. Those are the best teachers in this world. So what am I saying? Promotions are not done very well. Mr. Speaker, I want to come on this animal called SHA. And when I talk about SHA, I want to go back to State House visit. Tulipoenda State House, tulienda Kesha, Kepsha, Kusunet, NAT and Akupet. But the blame is now just on Kupet and NAT. All of us were there. We never discussed anything to do with the SHA at State House. We are waiting for the promises of the president. And I know you sit with the president. He told us those teachers who are 45 years and above are going to be given letters immediately for employment. Nothing has been done. 2, special teachers who are going to be given a grade higher. They have not been given. 3, we were told of the animal called CTG will be removed. Nothing has been done. This animal called SHA is not working, Mr. Speaker. Teachers are dying. They say it's comprehensive. It's not. We are the people on the ground and we are feeling it. Secretaries, we are here. We are not going to leave our teachers die. Walimu hawa wanakatwa pesa mingi. NHIF is there. They have raided the payslip of these teachers. Tuko na NHIF, tuko sijui na housing levy. Mimi nimebaki na miaka 2 kwenda nyumbani. Hata wakitenga nyumba Nairobi, I cannot move away from Masindu in Webuye. Why should we be deducted money to comfort other people who are lazy in this country, not ready to work hard? Why? Our members of parliament are seated here. These things that are killing our teachers are passed in the house. there. You are the ones passing this. We don't blame you on the president. Hii mambo nyinyi ndio mnapitisha. This time round, Mr. Speaker, it is not business as usual. We want to know our take in this government we are going to form 2027. Wewe tunakupenda, we support you, but pia nataka utusaidie. Those people you have appointed, one day bring them here like here today. Mwambie bwana, you are the secretary of Ford Kenya. Mwambie umesaidia nani hapa na pale. Ladies and gentlemen, finally, of Tourist Hotel. Initially, sir, we were 4,065 members. As I speak, I'm the youngest. Imagine. I'm the youngest. And if I can ask this congregation, Butiko members, arise. You will see. Arise, Butiko members, including my brother, Victor Kakenyi. Mr. Speaker, sir, this body started very well in times of Jeremiah 20. But something happened where we dropped from the frying pan into the fire itself. Why? Because teachers assembled and decided to lease that hotel. And the last one, we leased to our honorable, the former governor. By name, you know. I tell you what we are experiencing with our tenant, WW. I don't know. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm in the record because I've taken the former governor to the High Court because of rent arrears and rent payment. As per now, we are demanding 47 million. And the ruling of the case at the Environmental High Court in Bungoma, it is on 10th May this year. If you have time, please come and listen. We want our speaker to help us so that that ruling is done fairly. Let me just to address these pertinent issues. The first issue that I want to address is the issue of acting capacity. TSC has become a monster to teachers. There are very many of our teachers here who have acted in various capacities as senior teachers, deputies, and even principals and head teachers of schools. They act without any allowance picked on that acting. Most of them have acted for many years, but at the end of the day, as they are pundani take, they are given their new principals and deputies report, and they replace them so that they go back to the staff room without getting any allowance. We want you, we request your good office, Mr. Speaker, to put a bill in Parliament and a policy whereby somebody who has acted for 2 or 3 years is promoted automatically to the next level. And requesting colleagues, the teachers who have gone for interviews, the second point, interviews are there for PR purposes. Many of our teachers, as we sit here, are classroom teachers. Classroom teachers power. Classroom teachers power. Many of these teachers have acted for many years.
in that particular grade. Some of them have retired in the same grade that they were employed in. Because whenever they go for interviews, the interview lists are produced without names, without the counties, without the sub-counties. We have seen this as a matter of corruption under TSC. We want to request that next time we do interview, let us have regional balance of promotions. Let us know how many slots Bungoma County has gotten in that particular promotion. Let us know each sub-county and a slot that they have gained from that particular interview. Because from the look of things, the names are given, the TSC numbers are listed without names, simply because they want to hide that many regions that are being in government continue gaining as we continue suffering, yet we are in position 3 in power, Honorable Speaker. The teachers who are here, by show of hand, let me the speaker see those who have ever gotten a promotion in the last 5 years. Show of hands. Mr. Speaker, you can see by yourself. Yet we are bragging there's only 1 or 2 out of 20,000 teachers that we have in this county. I think we are being sure to change it under this government, and we trust that you are there for us, Brother Speaker. So allow us as a union to produce the list of those teachers who have stagnated in grades and present to you today, so that you can follow up for us as a and as a county, so that we can get our justice the way other areas are getting. Number 2, Honorable Speaker, I want to highlight the issue of CBG. CBG, as I've said, is career progression guidelines. Career progression guidelines is something that is the devil in the house, because teachers are suffering. We used to have the scheme of service for teachers. Teachers who are progressing after 3 years. We want to request that we go back to this scheme of service for teachers, so that teachers can move automatically to other grades, the way other civil servants in government do move in grades year in, year out. Solidarity. We want to also request you, Honorable Speaker, that you assist our teachers, especially the teachers.
Hii mambo ya mabarabara. Hii barabara ya Burikidia. Hii barabara ya kutoka Misiu. Mheshimiwa Kirutu huko aambia Mheshimiwa President ya kwamba bila hii barabara mi kampeni yangu Bungoma North Tongareni is going to be difficult. Okuja waangalie barabara ya Torof. Waangalie barabara ya Mumulekwe complete mpaka Mayanja hapa. Barabara ya Sunu ende mpaka huko. Mheshimiwa, we are going to have very time to campaign for you. Because me I'm seeing vile naenda saa zingine matanga huko Tongareni, unafikiria mtu mwenye ameshindwa kutengeneza barabara ni Mheshimiwa Shikati. Shikati mwana mtu mlai sana, mbona mbona? And even is very handsome, ama namna gani? Sasa tukimaliza hiyo projects, with us as teachers, we are going to have a very start to campaign for you. And even for our president. President amefanya kazi mingi sana kwa county. Lakini watu waangalie vitu vizuri amefanya, unaangalia barabara peke yake. And with your powers and your force as the son of the soil, those things are going to be made. Our party Ford Kenya College. This party is the one who has made us to be known as the way we are. Hata mimi nilisimama hiyo mwaka ingine kwa Ford Kenya as a member of parliament of Mula. Sikuanguka, waliniiba tu. Sasa Mheshimiwa, our party right now, for me to be mzuri, is not doing very well on the ground. It's not doing very well. And the party we know and we want to be is Ford Kenya. Wherever you take us with your Ford Kenya, we shall go. Because mimi natakuwa among the leaders wa kazi ya walimu hii. Na walimu tukisema tu tunaenda. Hata nikiambia walimu on Monday, kwa mambo ya sheme kataa tuende streets zote tutaenda. Ford Kenya saa hizi hata waheshimiwa wetu hao wanaogopa kusema on the ground. Because of the leadership that we have hapa chini. Pika kura from the class election. Na walimu tunaenda kuparticipate kwa hii election. Na kwa sababu mimi naenda kukua caucus ya walimu, hata wewe kusimama kitu ukipita nitakutetea. Ama namna gani? So that tuongoze Ford Kenya ikuwe strong from the ground. Hata sisi walimu sasa tukipata platform mahali, mimi nikisema Ford Kenya, nikisema tu tamu, kwa sababu imetoka kwa walimu. Ama namna gani? Kwa sababu unajua hii caucus ya baba na mbwana wetu wa juu. Hapa penye anatupeleka baba Oromo, tutaenda namna hiyo. Sijaongea mambo ya walimu kwa sababu wenzangu walikuwa wameongea. Na uliona Mandela aliongea sana. Kama namna gani? Sasa mimi najua as a politician you don't repeat what people have talked about. Unaongea vile nimeongea. Nimeongea mzuri ama vibaya? Mungu ambariki sana.
Kidogo tu for 2 days. You go there 2 days in advance. Hapo mnatuangusha jameni. If you're told by the union, stay back and don't go to mark. Please stay back even for 2 days. Don't be the first one to rush at the marking centers. The government will not hear. I know you have issues that are going to mandate you to go to the streets. And I'm in solidarity with those issues. You want to go to the streets because of SHA. You also want to go to the streets because of autonomy. You also want to go to the streets because of the 44,000 intern teachers. I'm solidly behind that. As long as it's going to be a peaceful demonstration. Hata mimi nitatoa maji walimu wakunywe. Tunapo demonstrate. Lakini tuambie serikali kwamba these teachers must be employed. Finally, before I sit, sisi tulienda State House. When we were in State House, the president pronounced himself very clearly on 2 phases of the CBA. Sasa ombi letu kama walimu wa Kenya, wacha hata wa Bungoma. President anataka 2 terms, si ndio? Sisi tumwambie kama walimu akitupea 2 phases tutampatia nini? 2 term. Nikisema 2 phases mnasema 2 term. 2 phases. 2 phases. Si wenyewe ndio mmesema jameni?
Mawili. Katika constituencies zetu, we try our best. Ningeomba viongozi tukija next time, penye tumefanya vizuri, if you want to give us strength, unasema hapa umefanya vizuri, lakini hapa ungali. Kwa sababu mnajua Secretary General kutoka Tongaren, what we've done na Mheshimiwa Steven kule Tongaren kwa mashule, like in the case of Tongaren, out of 89 primary schools, in the last 3 years, I've built 53 primary schools, new buildings. Sasa tungependa mkisimama pia mnasema, you've done ABCD well, lakini hapa pia improve. Number two, tunaendelea tukishirikiana. Mheshimiwa Speaker, mambo mengi ambayo yamesemwa hapa yenye tutachukua hapa. 1 ni upward mobility ya walimu. Kusonga juu in terms of promotions. And number 3, upande wa employment ya walimu. Mama Catherine, you are in the education committee. Next time we meet here, push that agenda. I'm also proposing walimu ya kwamba katika every sub-county, na mnisikiza tafadhali, katika every sub-county tuwe na caucuses ambazo sisi kama MPs tutakuwa kwa zile caucuses, so that we help you in terms of even facilitation, ili mambo ya walimu na sisi kama viongozi tuweke vichwa pamoja tukiendelea. I want to acknowledge the role of Papa wa Roma, yeye mambo yake hatembea akiambia kila mtu nimefanya, lakini sisi ambao tumefanya karibu na yeye, kwa kweli kusema mbele ya Mungu amejaribu. In terms of employment, in terms of infrastructure development, in terms of our growth, amejaribu. Lakini kama kawaida binadamu huwezi kutosheka na kila kitu. I want us to support him. Nataka tusimame pamoja na yeye, kwa sababu usipotaka kumsupport utaenda wapi? This region we must be together and we must have rotate around someone. Tusidanganywe tuende mahali pengine. Wale wenye tunafikiria kule pia wamejipanga kama regions. Naomba walimu kwa heshima kuu, we support Speaker Moses Wetangula ili tuende pamoja. Finally, my brother Mandela amesema kwanza Mheshimiwa Luketela alisimama akasema, Papa wa Roma, we want you to recall some people. Nilikuwa nadhani ananifikia aseme recall Chikati. Lakini Mungu ni mwema, hakusema hivyo. Alafu Mandela akasema, wewe kama Secretary General of Ford Kenya, umesaidia nini? Sasa alisema hivyo. Tarehe 1 June tunaanza elections ya Ford Kenya. Mandela kuja chukua position, nitakusaidia. Mungu awabariki tu sana.
Three things. Kwamba the institutions that are admitting patients on SHA, particular teachers, are very limited in Bungoma. I'm going to ensure that is corrected. You also say there are limitations on the manner in which treatment is given because of capping. I'm going to deal with that. And the third one, you said the contributions. What did you say, Mandela? You don't want to contribute. That you must do. Yes. Mandela, yes. That you must do. Because if you don't, nobody else will be treated. And when you contribute, you don't contribute today and you get treated. Nobody wants to fall in. Lakini una contribute ili jirani akiwa mgonjwa asaidiwe. Sitaki kusema maneno mengi sana, nataka nimalizie kwa kuwashukuru. Wale mmeenda Nairobi juzi, mmeona imeanzia Rironi hapo Limuru. In another group in Gilgil, several guns on the road. Wanajenga dual carriage. Na hatutaki kungoja mpaka itoke huko ifike huku next year. Yetu inaanzia Malaba. Inakuja sitakutana njiani. Na tayari we have advertised. The first batch, 20 kilometers, we have advertised Malaba to Kimwanga. Tutaongeza Kimwanga to Webuye to Tarbo, twende hivyo. Na tutajenga lane 3 huku, hakuna magari kukutana. This is the journey to Singapore. Yeah? This is the journey to Singapore. Na Singapore tutafika in our lifetime. Waheshimiwa walimu, tangu tupige kura iliyopita, I'm sure those of you who walk around Bungoma town, you see a difference. Kweli rongo? Barabara za lami ziliongezeka na nitaendelea kuongeza. Mwaka huu nimeongea na president, he has given us an additional 10 kilometers in Bungoma town. 10 kilometers means unaweka hapa half a kilometer, 200 meters. These link roads from one street to another, from one road to another, pengine kutoka hapa kwangu kwenda Kibabi Road na zingine, ili tuweze kupanua town yetu. My dream, Bungoma must become a city in our lifetime. And it will become a city. Sasa tujenge Bungoma yetu. Jambo lingine, my 98-year-old father, who is a retired teacher, wanted to come and join us because he still believes and feels a teacher. But I told him, the weather is not good, we're back in Uganda. Walimu wetu, nimesikia yale yote tumesema. Niko na kijana hapa Benson Milimo. Huyu kijana ni wakili, is the deputy director of the speaker's office. Amechukua notes zote, amechukua makaratasi mmenipa. I'm going to work on them. Some of the things you have said, I know. Others have heard them for the first time. But whatever the case, we must move together. Improve things that need to be improved. Shed away things that are not productive. And make every space we live a better place to live. Nimesikia mambo ya health. Nikikaa hapa, tayari nimetumia Adan Duale message ya kwamba on Tuesday morning akuwe kwa ofisi yangu saa 2 asubuhi. Nimuongeleshe mambo ya matibabu ya walimu. We say in English, don't throw away the baby with the bathwater. If you see a snake in the roof of your house, you don't burn down the house. You find a way of getting rid of the snake. I'm sure with these members of parliament, and I'll invite them to join me when I talk to Duale, to present your views, because these are not just the views of the teachers of Bungoma. I was in Kuria last weekend, I had the same thing. I was in Narok, I had the same thing. I was in Diwa in Homa Bay, I had the same thing. So the aggregate of what we have had amounts to critical matter to address, and we are going to do that. Mimi nilizaliwa mtoto wa mwalimu. Mimi pia nilikuwa mwalimu wakati fulani. Na katika maisha, kila mtu anasoma kitu kila siku. Ule unasoma kwake ni mwalimu. There is a poem by a lady called Carol Ann about the teacher. She says, I'm an engineer. I was taught by a teacher. I'm a lawyer. I was taught by a teacher. I'm a doctor. I was taught by a teacher. I'm an astrologist. I was taught by a teacher. Everybody in life was touched by a teacher. That's why we call teachers social engineers. You engineer lives. You shape lives. Sometimes the bad ones also ruin lives. Mkifundisha watoto na wanaanguka, mkifundisha wanaanguka. Sio pia ni kuruin. Lakini the majority of teachers, I've kept very close to my teachers. The member of parliament I replaced in Sirisia, who is still my very close friend, John Munyasi, was my teacher in Kamsinga. I went to Teremi High School, hapa karibu Chepkaka. Walimu walionifundisha, wengine bado wako, I'm close to them. Na walimu kila mahali shape opinions. When we were young, my father was one of the few people who had something called a transistor radio. Wakati huo hatukuwa na simu za rununu, hatukuwa na TV. Kila jioni watu wanaenda kwa mwalimu kusikiza radio. Karedio kadogo. Wanasikiza news. Voice of Kenya imemaliza sasa, jaribu BBC. BBC inamaliza, jaribu Radio Rwanda. Nimemaliza jaribu Radio Tanzania Dar es Salaam, looking for information, news and music. Those were the good old days. Walimu wetu, mimi ninajivunia sana kuwa rafiki wenu. Because in my journey in public life, my pillars have been teachers. My supporters have been teachers. My campaigners have been teachers. My poll agents have been teachers. My counting and tallying agents have been teachers. And when things go wrong, teachers have stood for me and with me. So when I invite you here, it reminds us of things fall apart, where Chinua Achebe says, when a friend and a neighbor invites you to his home to sit under moonlight, it's not because they can't see the moon from their homes.